Hey there, welcome to Real Estate Eduverse. Today we are dividing into the exciting world of the real estate, and this one is for all you beginners out there. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or dip your toes into real estate investing, this video is packed with essential information to get you started. So let's just jump right in. Number 1, understand the basic. Before you dive into the deep end, it's crucial to understand the basics. Real estate encompasses properties, land, and the buildings on it. There are various types of properties from residential to commercial, and understanding this distinction is key. Residential properties include single-family homes, condos, and apartments, while commercial properties can be anything from office building to retail spaces. The choice between these types of property largely depends on your goals and budget. Number 2, financing your real estate goals. Now, let's talk money. Real estate can be a hefty investment, so it's essential to explore financial options. One of the most common ways to finance a home is through a mortgage. A mortgage is a loan specifically for buying a home. You need to consider factors like your credit score, down payment, and interest rate. Down payments typically range from 3% to 20% of the home prices, depending on the type of mortgage and your financial situation. It's important to understand the type of loans and mortgages available to choose the one that fits your circumstances best. Number 3, location matters. Location. You have probably heard this before. We'll break down why the location of your property is one of the most critical factors affecting its value. The neighborhood and amenities in the area can greatly influence your daily life and the property future's value. Schools, public transport, shopping center, and the safety are all important aspects to be considered when choosing a location for your property. Always prioritize your personal and family needs and long-term goals when deciding where to buy. Number 4, working with real estate agent. Real estate agents can be your best friend in this journey. They help you find properties, negotiate deals, and navigate the complex world of real estate. When choosing an agent, look for experience, knowledge of the market, and good communication skill. Their roles include providing market insights, helping with paperwork, and connecting you with other professionals like the inspectors and lawyers. The best part? As a buyer, you don't typically pay the agent. The seller does, so it's valuable resources at no extra cost to you. Number 5, property inspections and due diligence. Don't skip this step. Property inspections are essential when buying or selling a property. Inspectors will check for structural issues, electrical and plumbing problems, and other potential hazards. Due diligence involves researching the property history such as past repairs, ownership, and any potential legal issues. These information help you make an informed decision and negotiate the right price. Number 6, real estate investment strategies. For those interested in real estate investing, we'll cover various strategies such as rental properties, flipping houses, and real estate investment trusts, which we call it REITs. Rental property involves buying homes or apartments and renting them out for a monthly income. Flipping houses is buying a property and renovating it and selling it for a profit. REITs are a way to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. They provide the opportunity to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate without the hassles of property management. Number 7, legal aspect and contracts. Real estate involves a lot of legal jargon and contracts. You'll encounter documents like purchase agreement, titles, and closing documents. These legal documents define the terms and conditions of the transaction, so it's essential to understand them. Consulting with a real estate attorney can be the smart move, especially for more complex deals. Number 8, Building your real estate network. Your network is your net worth in real estate. Building relationships with other investors, agents, and professionals is crucial. Networking can provide you with valuable insights, investment, and opportunities and support. Join local real estate investment groups, attend industry events, and contribute and communicate with experienced investors to learn from their experiences. Number 9. Real estate resources. There are numerous resources out there to help beginners. Books like Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and websites like Bigger Pockets are fantastic starting points for extending your real estate knowledge. Online courses and seminars are also available, often hosted by industry experts and experienced investors. Make a habit of continuously educating yourself to stay on top of the real estate game. So, what's next? We have covered a lot today, and the world of real estate is vast. Remember, patience and learning are your best allies in this journey. Stay curious, keep researching, and don't be afraid to take the first step. Whether it's buying your first home or making that initial investment, the world of real estate is full of opportunities and rewards. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more.